Welcome to Class 5 NCERT Mathematics Chapter 2 Shapes and Angles, page numbers 16 to 33. Shapes and Angles, page number 16. So let's start the chapter, children. Rohini and Mohini are twin sisters. They love doing the same things. One day, when they are making shapes with matchsticks, Shaila gave them a challenge. So, who are Rohini and Mohini, children? They are twin sisters, means Judwa Behan. They love doing same thing. It is both do the same things. And one day Shaila, this is Shaila, okay, this is Shaila, this is Rohini and this is Mohini. One day Shaila gave them a challenge. Let's see what's the challenge. Rohini will make a shape. Mohini has to make the same without looking at it. But she can ask questions. So what happened? They are playing with matchsticks. So now you also make with matchstick shapes, na? Like we make triangle and all, triangle, square and all like this. They were also making shapes. So Rohini will make a shape and Mohini has to make the same shape without seeing what shape is made by Rohini, but she can ask the questions. So let's see what's the shapes made. Rohini made this shape. So this is the shape made by Rohini. How many matchsticks she used? See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6 matchsticks she has used. Now Mohini asked, is it a closed shape or an open shape? Then Rohini replied, it is a closed shape. Children, what is closed shape and open shape? We already discussed this before. See, this triangle, this is a closed shape. But if I keep the matchsticks like this or like this, whatever, all this is an open shaped. Okay, children, these are open shaped and this is a closed shaped. Mohini, how many sides are there? Rohini, it has 6 sides. Then Mohini made this shape. Okay, then Mohini made this and see how many sides are there in this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. This is also having 6 and this is also having 6 and both are closed shape. So can you find any difference in that? What is the difference, children? The shape is different. She has made a different shape and she has made a different shape. Now you give your answers. Is it a closed shape? What Mohini has made is a closed shape or not? Yes, it is a closed shape. Does it have 6 sides? Yes, we have seen that it has 6 sides. But it is not the same as the one made by Rohini. So Mohini tried again. This is what she made. So what, as they said that this is not the same shape, again she tried once again. See now how many sides are there? 1, 2, 3 this side and 3 this side. 6 is there. But as the shape same? No. So what's the first question? Is it a closed shape with 6 sides? Yes, it is a closed shape with 6 sides. Is it same as the one made by Rohini? No, it is not the one made same as made by Rohini. Is there some way to say that what shape is different? Shapes are having different angles. Now you learned a new point here named angle. So children, do you know what is the meaning of an angle? In geometry, an angle can be defined as the figure formed by two rays. So what are rays, children? This is one ray and this is one ray. Ray is a place where it starts at one point and it is continuous. That's why we have marked an arrow mark like this. It is continuous. You can also call it as arms. These are two arms and the figure formed by two rays meeting at a common end point. Which is a common end point? This is a common end point. They are meeting at a common end point. And here what is formed? This is called as angle. What is this called? Angle. When two rays, that is two arms are there, it meets at a common point and here the angle formed. There the which is formed is called as angle. What is this form as? Angle. So if this is like this, which is the angle here? This is the angle. If two lines are like this, then which is the angle? This is the angle. So in this, which is the angle? This is the angle, this is the angle, this is the angle. Understood, children, angles? Now, Mohini tried again but got different shapes. Guess and make 2 more shapes Mohini could have made. Mohini could have made the following shapes. Let's see the shapes. First, these are the 3 shapes. One Mohini made and one Rohini made and 2 Mohini made. Now again with 6 matchsticks only you can make in these shapes. These are the examples. Now Mohini is now tired of trying and asked Shaila what to do. Now what happened? She is tired of trying and she asked what to do. if you ask for the angle, so if the angle, what is the angle, if she knows, she can make with the same angle. Yes or no? So what Shaila says, you ask for the angle at what makes at the corners, and this corner angle is made na, what angle if she tells, then you can make the same one. Now page number 17, look at the angles marked in these shapes. Can you see the difference in which is made in Rohini and Mohini? Can you find the difference? See how the matchsticks make a small angle A. Here a small angle is made. Next a big angle. Here is a big angle made, and then a bigger angle. See here, this is a bigger angle. This is a bigger angle. Understood, children? Wow, when the angle changes, the shape changes so much. Yes or no? Now if the angle is less, this is like that. Now I have changed the angle. Angle has changed? Yes. Now angle has changed. See, now angle has changed. So when the angle is changing, what happens to the shape? The shape also changes. By seeing the figure, we can see that each figure has different shape and different angles. Now practice time. Look at the shape and answer. The angle marked in dash color is the biggest. By seeing this, what you can say? You can say that the black angle is bigger. So no, all these are small. Rather more than that, black is there. So which one? The black color is the biggest angle. Now next question. Are the angles marked with yellow equal? Here they are asking, are the angles marked with yellow? Yellow is marked here, yellow is marked here. See the shape, both are same. So what you will say is the angles marked with yellow are equal. Children, here it's a print mistake. Here it is yellow. Okay, here it is yellow. You write it here as yellow. In yellow are equal. Now let's go to the next question. Are the angles marked with green equal? Where is green? Here it's green. The shape is like this. Here also green. The shape is like that. Yes, they are equal. Are the angles marked with blue equal? See here, blue is there. This is the angle formed. See, is it the same shape? Yes, it's the same shape. Yes, the angles marked with blue are equal. Practice time, page number 18. 4 different angles are marked in 4 colors. Can you find other angles which are same as the one marked in red? Mark them in red. Do this for other colors also. For this, first you count the number of matchsticks in the shapes mark. First one as 6. How you will count this? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Similarly, the next one 6. The next one 5. This is 8. This is 8. This is 8. You just count once, children. Okay. Now, this we will do by matching the number of matchsticks. So this and this we will see 8 and 8, 5 and 5. Now first 6. What is the angle here? It's marked in green. So same green where we can mark? Here you can mark it. Understood, children? Now next, this yellow is there. I have marked the yellow here. Now this blue, black is there. Here also I have marked the black. Similarly, here is red. Here is a red. Understood, children, how we match the angles? Now let's go to the next one. Practice page number 19. How many different shapes can you make by changing the angle between the matchsticks in each of this? By changing the angle, how many different we can make? For example, for 4 matchsticks are there. This is given in the form of a rectangle. Now I'll make it in the form of a diamond. Okay, like this. According to your creativity, you have to do, children. I'll give 2 examples. You have to do this because this should be children's own thinking. So this is also 4 matchsticks. Made it in this way. Similarly, for example, the next one, 8 matchsticks. This is the shape which is given here. I made it in the form of stars. 10 matchsticks. Made it in the form of star. Like this, you'll make different shapes with 5 matchsticks, 7 matchsticks. 4 also you try different, 8 and 10. Okay, children? Now, make 8 triangles using 6 matchsticks. Try. So, how you will do? How many matchsticks you have to use? 6. 1, yes, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. How many matchsticks I have used? 6 matchsticks I have used. Our 8 triangles, how we got the 8 triangles? See here, small triangles are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 small triangles are there. And this is one big triangle. This is one big triangle. 2 big triangles and 6 small triangles. So it is 8 triangles. Now take 8 matchsticks and make fish like this. So like this you have to make, children. Now pick up 3 matchsticks from them, put in such a way that the fish now starts swimming in the opposite direction. Now it's going top. So opposite means it will go down. So how you will do? Like this you will do it. Okay children, what we did, simply we removed this and we placed it here. Next, using 10 mastics, similarly you have to make it in the form of a house children. So by seeing this you can see the house. So you change these mastics, then you can make it in the form of a house. Now these are the answers which have been given in your textbook children. Okay. Now angle tester, page number 20. Angle tester. How do you make equal angles? Let us make an angle tester. You also have an angle tester in your geometry box. It is called a divider. You might have seen like this. Two tip pointed one will be there, yes or no, and it will move easily. Both sides will move, both these arms will move easily. By this you can see the angle is formed in between. So this is called as angle tester and it is named as divider. Okay children, so this you can make it with your cardboard also. You cut two papers or two cardboard and you place a pin in between. So what is the help of this? Now if I have drawn one shape like this, so what you keep the angle tester, and if I want to draw the same shape, then what? I'll keep that angle tester here and draw it. Otherwise if I have two shapes, I can keep it, check on this and then check on the other to check whether both the angles are same. Now Rohini and Mohini went all around with the angle tester to look for different shapes in their class. Rohini tested the angle of the Max book and the pencil box. She tested the angle of Max book and pencil box, and when she looked at the tester, it has opened like a letter L. How it opened? It seems it opened like a letter L. When she kept at the corner of this, it opened like a letter L. This is called as right angle and we write it as L. Okay children, what is this called as? Right angle and we write it as L. Now we have learnt a new one, that is right angle. Whenever the angle tester opens like this or whenever the angle is like this, then the angle formed is called as right angle. And if it is less than right angle, this is less than right angle, yes or no, this is falling to this side, the down side, then it is called as less than right angle and it is named as acute angle. What is its name children? Acute angle. Now the names have not been given in your book, but if you read it now it will be easy for you. What is this called? Acute angle. And if it is more, it lies to the downside, then it is called as more than right angle or obtuse angle. Now if both the lines are on the same line, then it is called as straight angle. What is that called children? Straight angle. And if it is like this, if it is more than this, then it is called as reflex angle. Now note it of these three: right angle, less than right angle, acute angle, more than right angle, that is obtuse angle. If you learn that, that's enough. Okay children, if that exact L shape is formed, then it is right angle. And if it is less than right angle, if it falls below this side, then it is called as less than right angle. Okay children, if the arm is below this side, then it is called as less than right angle. If the arm is this side, then it is called as more than right angle, that is obtuse angle. Both are straight angle, and if it is like this, then it is called as reflex angle. And angle is measured in the form of degrees children. How is the angle measured? It is in the form of degrees. Whenever we write right angle, means it is 90 degrees children. What is the right angle? It is 90 degrees and we write it like this. The degree, this is in a symbol, this is a symbol for degree. It is written subscript, it is written on the top. Now first I'll tell about right angle. Exact that L which is formed, that is right angle and it is 90 degrees. 90 degrees. Right angle means 90 degrees. And just now we learned acute angle, that is less than right angle. So right angle is 90, so less than 90 degrees, then it is called as acute angle. And we say that more than right angle, that is more than right angle, more than 90 degrees but less than 180 degrees is called as obtuse angle. If it lies between 90 and 180, then it is called as obtuse angle. And if it is a straight angle, just now we learned straight angle and reflex angle. So no, straight angle, then it is called as 180 degrees. If straight angle means 180 degrees. So one straight angle is 180. So if I complete one more rotation, so a full revolution take place, 180 plus 180, it will be 360 degrees. A full revolution is 360. And one more thing, this is just for knowledge sake I told you, reflex angle means it should lie between 180 and 360 degrees, because it will take complete rotation, yes or no? So it should lie between 180 degrees and 30 degrees, between 180 to 360 degrees. Sorry children, I told 30, 360. 180 to 360 it is reflex angle, between 90 to 80 obtuse angle, less than 90 acute angle, exact 90 right angle, 180 degree straight angle. Okay, now let's move to the textbook. Practice time. Look at the angles in the pictures and fill the table. So we know what is right angle. Yes, it will be L shape. More than right angle, it is less than right angle, it is acute angle. More than right angle, that is obtuse angle. Now if you see the first one, the scissor, exactly right angle means how it will be, it will be like this, yes or no? So it is less than right angle, that's why we have kept a tick here. Now if I see this, what is this exact L shape? So it is a right angle, so no children. Now next, here also you see this exactly L shape, so it is also a right angle. Now this, it is more than right angle, and the next one, the top one here angle formed is also more than right angle. Okay children. Now next, Sukhman made this picture with so many angles. Yes or no? We can find many angles, many places. Here an angle, here an angle. So this is also your creativity. You can check your angles wherever it is and you can make it. So they are asking you to mark right angles with black color, more than right angle with green, less than right angle with blue. So this is sample one which I am giving you. Okay, see, this is less than right angle, here I have marked as blue. You can see here marked as blue, here marked as blue. More than right angles, here I have marked as green, yes or no? Similarly, and if it is a right angle, see where is the right angle? Here in between ants and all, you can see here it is a right angle, yes or no? So like this is your creativity children, you have to do by your own. Now practice time, page number 22. Draw anything of your choice around the angle shown. Also write what type of angle it is. The first one is done for you. See, the shape is drawn here. So no, this greater than shape is drawn here, and further they draw the shape of a crocodile. So like this you draw the shapes like ice cream, house, and animals, birds, whatever you can draw with this, you draw it. So this I can make it as a cone ice cream. So no, so like this you draw it and you have to write what angle it is. By saying this we can say this less than right angle. Similarly, L shape, it is right angle. This is less than, this is also right angle. Children, here when you see it's looking like less than right angle, but in your textbook have checked it, because as I have copied it by dragging it has changed. This is L shape, see, this is L shape. So this is right angle, this is an obtuse angle, this is acute angle, this is also acute angle. Okay, now next one, activity. Now next, page number 23 is an activity given where you will take a square sheet, fold into half, and then one more fold into half and press it. Now open the last fold and then fold it in the form of a triangle like this in the near the corner of the dotted line. Then when you open, you can find the angles, yes or no? So when you open, it will be like this children, and these are the angles formed. Okay, understood? Now one more activity is with your body parts. Okay, angles you have to make with your body, page number 23. Okay, so with your body parts you have to make. So this is the example which I have given. You can try on your own this also. A right angle with your hand, see, with the hand right angle. Next, less than right angle with your leg, see, less than right angle, that is acute angle with the leg. More than right angle with your arm, see, this is arms, more than right angle with the arms. Similarly, more than right angle with your body. If you sleep, then with the body you can make more than right angle. Okay, now next one, angle garden. My angle dance shows the way. When I see flowers for making honey, I want to tell other bees to show them the way. I start dancing. My dance shows the angle between the sun and flower. Between the sun and flower, yes, this honey bee is there. Yes, angle is formed. Yes, this is what it is. Angles in names. In names also you can make the angles, but you have to write in straight lines, children. It should be in straight line. For example, this S is there. If I write like this, can I form an angle? No. Angle is formed when there is a common end point. Yes or no? If two points meet at the corner, you find an angle. So in that you can check this is a right angle. Yes, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This L shape is there here. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 right angles are there in the name of Sukhman, and there are also 11 angles less than the right angle. Where are the less than right angle? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10. Understood? So for this, what you will do, you take a alphabet, A to Z alphabet, you take A, you write how many right angles are found, how many less than right angles are there, how many more than right angles are there. It will be easy for you. Now they are asking you to make three such names. Write the right angles, more than right angles, less than right angles. For example, I have taken the name as Kalam. I got this. How I got this? For example, K I have taken. See, right here L shape is formed. Here the angle is formed. That is right angle. And next one, more than right angle, no more than right angles, less than right angle, 1, and here it is 2. Okay. Now next A. Similarly in this, how many right angles, less than right angles, you note down. L, M, A again. Next again M. Okay, understood how we got this, children? Here you check it. 1, 2, 3. 3 less than right angles. That's why I marked this here. This is more than right angle. This is also more than 2. And in this, no right angles, no more than right angles. 1, 2, 3. All 3 are less than. Now you see how many right angles? 1 and 1, 2. 2 and 2, 4. Next this 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 3, 11. So like this, 2 more you will do. Okay. The next one, page number 26. These are two slides in the park. Which slide has a larger angle? Now here you can see the slides. Yes or no? It slides here one angle is formed and here one angle is formed. So by seeing this you can easily say which is the larger angle. This. The boy is turning that side. So this is left side and this is the right side. So which one? The slide which comes in the right side of the boy has the larger angle. Which is safer for the boy to slide and why? Which is safer, children? When we see, we feel that this is safer because it is small. But that's not the true ma. But this is more steeper and this is less steeper. What is the meaning of steeper? It is more steep. Okay, when you fall, you will fall immediately. In this time is there, in this time is not there. You will fall and you will get hurt. But here the chance of getting hurt is less because it is less steep. Understood? So the slide on the left side is steeper than the other. So no, the left side one is steeper, so the right one is safer. Okay, children? Page number 27, changing shapes. Find out how many angles are there in each of these shapes and mark them. So this is the easy one. We can mark it. Now when you push the shapes downwards, does the angle changes? These are made with rubber. So now how to make it? It is given in your textbook. So when you push it, are the angles same? So this you have to try by doing the activity at your home, children. Take the matchsticks, remove the ends, black ends, and then keep small rubbers at between, and then you have to try this. Okay. Now the first shape, yes, it changes. Second shape, it changes. Third shape also changes, but triangle does not change, ma. Triangle is stronger and it does not change. That is what the example which is given here, shapes and towers. Okay, they are asking why these are made, bridges, towers, all are made in the triangle shape, because triangle shape is stronger and does not change easily when pressed. Hence triangle shapes are used in bridges, towers, etc. to make them stronger. Angle and time. Zenith, your watch does not have digits. How do you read time? Now she's asking Zenith, your watch does not have digits. Digits means what, ma? Numbers. Even though numbers are not there, there will be watches. Yes or no? Then what she replies, I see the angle, see when the and makes right angle. For example, this is 9 o'clock. Yes or no? And this is also right angle when it is at 3 o'clock. Understood, children? So you have to see the minutes and the hours and also. Okay. Now next, there are many times in a day when the hands of the clock make a right angle. Now you draw some more. So there are many times. This is a sample which I am giving for you. Don't blindly copy this. You try by your own. For example, 9 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 3:30, 3:30, like this. All this you can match it. Now I am giving you just example. Okay, this is a L shape. Yes, this is 7:55 children. Okay, this is 7:55. This is an L shape. This is a right angle. This is also a right angle. This is also a right angle. Like this you have to make it. Now next one, write what kind of angle is made by the ants at these times. Also write the time. They are asking you to write the time and what angle is formed. What is the angle here? What is the time here? 7:25, and it is less than right angle, so we call it as acute angle. I am not writing it as less than right angle, I am writing it as acute angle. But if your teacher is asking you to write it less than right angle and more than right angle, then here what you will write? Less than right angle. Next, here the time is 8:15, so this is more than right angle, that is obtuse angle. 9:10, more than right angle, that is obtuse angle. 9:25, it is also more than a right angle, that is obtuse angle. 10 o'clock, less than right angle, acute angle. Now draw the hands of the clock when they make an angle which is less than the right angle. Less than right angle means acute angle. They are asking us to do the acute angle. Similarly, this is a sample you do by your own children by saying this. Now first the time is 11:45 I made. This is less than 1:15 or 1:16, that is also less than right angle, that is acute angle. 8:50, that is also you can make by your own children. Okay, now I can keep 1:10, yes, that is also less than right angle. So like this you can make number of times you can make in this. Now degree clock. Degree clock is used to measure an angle between two line segments. What is degree clock, children? It is used to measure the angle between two line segments. It comes back at the same angle. So what happens when you hit back the striker? It comes back at the same angle. Appu and Kittu are playing carom board. Appu is the striker. In the picture, 3 points ABC are shown. Draw the line to show from which point Kittu should hit to get the queen. So you have to draw from which point you should get the queen. And we know that the right angle is how much, children? Right angle is 90 degree, we know. And this is 1/3 of the right angle. 1/3, they already given you the dotted lines, children here. 1/3 of a right angle means 90 degrees. That is 3 into 30, that is 30 degrees. But this is very difficult for you, yes or no? And always remember, degree is written as subscript 0. So that you should write 30 degrees, like centimeters, cm you write, like this. For degree it is 0 and it should be on top to the power of, okay, subscript. Now here I said this is 1/3, so you believe that it is 1/3. But directly we don't know whether it's 1/3, 1/4. It will be difficult. So for this we use protractor, children. What do we use for this? We use protractor. You have protractor in geometry box? Yes, protractor. The use of protractor I will tell you in the next slide. Okay. Now page number 31. Now this is the clock mark, degree clock, and how to make that it is given in your textbook. You can see and you can make this. Now use your degree clock to measure the right angle of your pencil box. So right angle of your pencil means the corner of the pencil box. If you keep how much, it will be right angle means 90 degrees. What is the right angle? 90 degrees is a measure of the right angle. Now next they are asking us to guess the measures. Half of a right angle, it's just guess they are asking you. Have given you the method also here. Okay, half of right angle, that is half into 90, so 2 into 45. So 1 into 45 is 45 degree. Similarly 1/3 of a right angle, that is 1/3 of 90. 1/3 of 90 is 30 degrees. Next 2 times of a right angle, that is 2 into 90, that is 180 degrees. Now angles in yoga. Now Rahmat is doing yoga. These are the pictures of different asanas. So here you can find the angles. Yes. Now they are asking you also do the asana and find out different angles. Now for example, few I'll tell here. Okay, here exact thigh and abdomen. This is the thigh and this is abdomen. Abdomen means what, children? Stomach. Okay, here 90 degrees formed. Next, thigh and abdomen. 1 second, children. Here, see, here thigh and abdomen. This is the thigh. Yes, this is the abdomen. It is less than 90 degrees. That is acute angle. Next, arm and the hand. Here, arm and the hand. Here, how much it is? More than 90 degrees. That is obtuse angle. Next, these are the thigh and this is the leg. Thigh and leg, the angle formed. That is also more than 90 degrees. That is obtuse angle. Now, the D game, page number 33. You can play the D game with your friends. You draw an angle, your friend will guess the measure of that angle. Then you use the D to measure it. The difference between the measured angle and the guess will be your friend's score. So, now this they have given you as a game, but the D game, nothing is that to measure the angle we use protractor, children. What do we use? Protractor. This is the protractor. And you have seen this in your geometry box? Yes, very good. And what happens? First you have to draw the angle. After drawing the angle, you keep this protractor on that and you measure the angle. Let's see how to measure the angle. Now this is the angle drawn. Okay, so next what we have to do, we have to keep the protractor on that, so that exactly this dot which is there, yes or no, in the line this dot is there, it lies here only in the center line. The center line is there, it should be on that dot, and the base line should be on 0. And one more point you have to remember is, children, if the arm is this side, then you will count from this 0. The angle you will count from this 0. Okay, from the 0 which is here you will count. But if arm is like that, then also you will pay the protractor similarly like this, because you can see 1 0 from this side and 1 0 from this side. If the arm is this side, then you will count from sorry, children, you will count from this 0. Okay, that you have to remember, and you count 0, 10, 20, 30, 80, 90, 100, and it's exactly at 130 degree. So the angle formed here is 130 degree. Now the next one, 1 second, I will erase the ink. Now first what you will do, you will keep the protractor exactly. Okay, the arm is this side, so this 0 you will count, it should be exactly at the center, and see how much is the angle formed, 50, 60. So what is the angle here? 60 degrees. So next one, protractor you will keep and you will found out it as, 1 second, I'll show you. It's between 40 and 50. 40 and 50, between 40 and 50, exactly at 45. So the angle formed is 45. L. If L is formed, what did we say? It is right angle 90 degrees. Let's check, is it right angle? 0, 90. Exactly 90. This is when the angles are given. Okay, sorry, this is when the angle is given for you, you are keeping your protractor and measuring. Now if this is an extra stuff which I am giving you, children, this is not given in your textbook. Okay, now but if they ask you to measure and draw the angle using a protractor, now I am asking you to draw a 45 degree. Okay, the first one, 45 degree I am asking you to draw. So how you will draw, children? First you take a scale, from 0 you draw a line. This length can be anything, children, but don't go too long. Okay, okay, understood? This length you will take, then remove the scale, and then keep the protractor exactly near this center, and this dot should coincide, and it should be on the base, should be on 0 line. And then how much I asked you to mark? 45 degree. So 0, 10, 40, 45 means it lies between 40 and 50. So near 45 I'll put a dot. Now I'll remove my protractor, then take the scale, keep that, and draw a line with the help of a pencil. Okay, now remove this. So the angle formed, sorry children, so the angle formed here is 45 degrees. Understood, children, how to do that? First take a scale, draw a ray, a arm. Okay, at 0 I'll put a dot, and then I'll keep the protractor exactly such a way that its center should be here and the base should be on this arm, and then I'll mark, if 90 degree, I'll mark 90 degree, remove the protractor, with the help of the scale I will draw the line. Understood? These remaining you will try by yourself like that and put down in the comment section. Okay, children, The before one also you do and this also you do, and put your answers in the comment section. Okay, I hope you understood this. With this we have completed this chapter. Meet you with the next chapter. Till then, have a nice day. Thank you.